Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 26, 2026, and we're diving into Viatris's fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Viatris has reported some interesting numbers for the quarter and the year, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Viatris reported fourth quarter revenues of $3.7 billion and full year 2025 revenues of $14.3 billion. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Viatris saw a 5% increase in fourth quarter revenues compared to the same period last year, which is a positive sign. However, the full-year revenue saw a slight decline of 3% compared to 2024. Despite this, the company managed to exceed the EPS forecast of 52 cents, achieving an adjusted EPS of 57 cents, which is a 6% increase from the previous year.
That's impressive, especially considering the net loss for the quarter was reduced to $340 million from $517 million in Q4 2024. What factors contributed to this improvement?
The improvement in net loss can be attributed to strong performance in their branded products, particularly in Greater China and emerging markets, as well as effective cost management strategies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Viatris has completed an enterprise-wide strategic review. What are the key takeaways from this review, and how do they plan to implement these changes?
The strategic review has positioned Viatris to deliver $650 million in total cost savings over the next 3 years, with plans to reinvest up to $250 million in growth areas. This is part of their strategy to enhance their growth profile and competitiveness. For 2026, they have provided revenue guidance between $14.45 billion and $14.95 billion, indicating a focus on sustainable growth.
And what about their new product pipeline?
Viatris expects to generate between $450 million and $550 million in new product revenues in 2026, which is a significant part of their growth strategy. They are also anticipating regulatory decisions for 6 product candidates this year, which could further bolster their portfolio.
Market reaction and strategic initiatives. How has the market reacted to Viatris' financial results and strategic initiatives?
The market has responded positively, especially with the company's commitment to returning over $1 billion to shareholders in 2025. Their strategic divestiture of the Biocon stake for $815 million also reflects a focused approach to capital allocation. Additionally, the planned workforce reduction of up to 10% is part of their effort to streamline operations and improve efficiency.
And what about their pipeline and FDA approvals?
Viatris has several FDA approvals and applications in the pipeline, including the launch of INPEFA in the UAE and the acceptance of their NDA for a low-dose estrogen patch. These initiatives are expected to drive future growth and expand their market presence.
Key takeaways. In summary, Viatris has shown resilience and strategic foresight in their 2025 financial results. With a focus on cost savings, new product launches, and strategic divestitures, they are well positioned for sustainable growth in 2026. John, any final thoughts?
Viatris is taking significant steps to enhance its operational efficiency and growth potential. Their strategic initiatives and strong pipeline position them well for the future. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in 2026.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Viatris' performance in the comments below.